Hi there. Let me show you how to remove the background in CapCut PC. I'll demonstrate two easy methods to remove backgrounds from your videos in CapCut PC. Ready? Let's dive in. First, we have the Chroma Key method, perfect for removing green screen backgrounds, just like the pros use in movies and TV shows. For this demo, I'll use a video of snowflakes falling. Here's what you do. Select the video, then go to the Remove BG section on the right-hand side under the video panel. Check the Chroma Key option, then click on the background color you want to remove, in my case, green. And voila, the background is gone. That's method 1. Now, let's move on to the auto removal method. This is ideal for cutting out backgrounds around people. For this example, I'll use a video of a lady serving food. Select the video, go to the same Remove BG section, and check the auto removal option. Wait for it to process. This might take a little longer, depending on the length and quality of your video. And there you have it. The background is gone. Pretty amazing, right? To spice things up, let's add a new background. I'll place a snowy mountain scene under the lady's video and layer the background removed snowflake video on top of it. How does that look? Awesome, isn't it? And that's how you can remove and replace backgrounds in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment "I subscribed" so I can thank you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care.